We have a 1967 Corvette Roadster, number match motor, transmission, and rear. This is a performance car. It's the L79, 350 horsepower, 4-speed, and a 370 posi rear end. This car here is documented with the window sticker. This was at one time actually glued in the window. It has the original tank sticker. This would be on top of the gas tank going down the assembly line, so the workers knew how to build the car. The owner's manual in the pouch, and the Protecto plate. This is your warranty card, but it has the motor, trans, and rear end numbers, which you can verify against the car. So sometimes a Corvette will have one of these pieces of documentation. This has all three. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see price tags on this one and 200 other collector cars that are currently for sale. And each one will have a monthly payment as well. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, it looks nice up front. The headlights fit nicely. All looking good, smooth, straight. No issues, no cracking or spider webbing, they call it. The hood fits nice and square and flush. There is like under the paint, there is like a body line seam right here. You can kind of see if you look for it. All nice, clean. Door fits beautifully. Actually, right here, this intersection, all these lines, fits real nicely. Door opens easily, which usually means it's going to close nicely. It does. No rattles. All real nice. Clean. I don't see damage. I don't see body work. Yes, the photos are done. All nice and clean, smooth, straight. Fits real nicely on this side too. Oh yeah, it's going to shut nice too. Clean, straight, all real nice looking body. Repainted its original Marlboro Maroon color. Very nice job. Does have some really tiny metal flake, all laid out smooth, all the same color, all uniform. Very smooth and glossy. Very faint marks from the convertible top. They all get that, unfortunately. I think these would still buff out, so they're not bad at all. And I didn't really notice flaws or chips. Even up front here, it's all nice and clean. I mean, the paint job's looking really nice on the car, honestly. Very smooth and glossy. So, yeah, I think the paint looks really nice. Front bumpers look like they are new. The grille looks like new. The windshield's probably original. It does have surface chips and light scratches. The trim is original. It's not beat up, but it's a little bit aged. Vent window frame, not pitted, but it has some light freckles. Original door handles, a little bit of freckling there, a little pitting. These are original too, but very good looking. Emblem looks nice. Back bumpers and tail lights look like they're new. They're sparkling. Gas cap's in real nice shape. Correct FM antenna. Black convertible tops in real nice shape. There's pictures of that on our website. Hope you like the redline tires. We just bought them, just put them on there. Those are new radial redline tires with the 15-inch rally wheels in real nice shape. Has the mirror over here on just this side. Real nice, clean mirror. So that's the outside. Let's open it up, show you the inside. You know, of the C2 Corvettes, there would be a 63 through 67. 67 is the most desirable year, other than the split window coupe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too, by the way, and click the bell icon. You'll be notified when videos are posted. And visit volocars.com to check out our complete inventory with so much information on all the cars. Door jambs are very clean. The weather strips look very good. Door panels in very good shape. There's one little bubble in the armrest there, but it's not beat up. All the chrome and trim is really nice. It's actually a very tidy interior. Now, right now, the screws are out and the headlight switch is below. Our shop is still working on it. I'm not sure what they're doing, but it's in the process of being serviced. But the dash pads are real nice. All the trim's real nice. Glove box door is very clean, other than a few insignificant light surface marks. The light works in here. Original knobs, AM/FM radio. The center console is very good, has the correct reverse lockout. You see so many of them with a Hurst shifter sticking out. Carpets are real nice. Center, this is usually broken. This is the e-brake. The only C2 that has the e-brake here. The others are a handle under the dash. Original Chevrolet seat belts. The seats themselves are in excellent shape, real nice upholstery, nice cushions in them. Convertible top, easily lifts right out with one person. You got the compartment here, the jack is here in this bag right here. All the carpet front to back's very nice. The interior is very clean, tidy, not beat up. It's nice. It's not a nut and bolt restoration, but it's very good. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. Normally they're cracked. This one is not. Mirror, sun visors, all in great shape. The gauges will all be working. The clock isn't. We don't spend much time on clocks and radios, but make sure that they drive and function real well. So that is the original VIN number match 327, 350 horsepower. It's the optional L79. That's a strong little engine. Stock manifolds and the finned valve covers. These come with an aluminum intake, the right water neck and hose clamps and filler tube. All that looks right. Looks like it has deep groove pulleys. I think that's part of the 350 horsepower, so the belts don't fly off. The master cylinder looks new. And over here you do have correct hoses, the ribbed hose, the right clamps, the clutch fan looks new. Shroud, all that looks proper. Has the expansion tank right here. Dated 1967. We got spring clamp battery cables. All this is very nice and clean. Yeah, nice number match engine. We've verified the casting codes, the casting dates. The stamp on the front of the engine still has the broach marks. I'm very convinced it is authentic. So Michael's going to take you and show you what she's got.
Absolutely beautiful day here. The top is down. Let's go for a cruise. It's a gorgeous Marlboro red 1967 Corvette. Convertible, of course. Really slick car. It's supposed to be mostly original. Does look like that. I know the interior is, with the exception of this dash pad and the seats have been recovered. For the most part, I do believe this one's original in here. So just a really well cared for car. Somebody really respected it right from the beginning. It's got the full numbers matching drivetrain. Not only the engine, but the 4-speed here, manual, and the posi rear end, which we'll get to in a minute. Let's see what she's got right now. Just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Running really smooth and tight. This one just revs really nice. You're gonna love the feel of the motor here, the overall feel of the car as well. Got that high output 327 with rated at 350 horsepower. Of course, the 4-speed, and then the rear end, the posi rear end, Actually came from the factory with a 370, which is a cool little option there. So yeah, plenty of power all the way around, off the line. Just a really smooth car. Great sounding exhaust, mild, not overbearing at all. I tell you, this thing just runs slick. You're absolutely gonna love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and descriptions on volocars.com.
So I did just check with the shop. We ordered a new fuel gauge for it. It's here on the shelf. Now it'll go back in. We just pushed it through. We got to keep production going. Back there saying, hey, we got 50 cars sitting here all waiting for something. Very nice looking car inside and out. Underneath's very respectable, maintained as needed. Of course, it's all-wheel independent suspension, disc brakes at all four corners as well. And all the steering and suspension components all look clean to me. I noticed in back the bushings look new, the shocks look pretty new. New stainless steel exhaust, the pipes are anyway, and it has new mufflers. All the fiberglass underneath is real clean. It has the complete spare tire carrier in the back. You look up at the motor, it's nice clean Chevy orange. The original for this car, Muncie 4-speed transmission, is also very clean, so is the linkage. Again, 370 posi rear end. So this should be a fun little car to tool around in. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find lots of information, including how to contact us. The salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.